Hi everyone, here are your directions for your touch math paperwork this week. We're working on adding 3 different numbers that have numbers in the tens place and ones place together. So we'll use place value here on this part. And we'll use our touch points up here on this part on the penguins. I'm going to show you a sample of each of the problems and then you can try the rest on your own. So the top part says start with the numbers below the arrows in the ones column. See the little arrow right here? And we're going to add down using our touch points. So the first thing that you do is say the name of the larger number. Here I have a 4, a 1, and a 0. So I'll say 4 because it's the largest and I'll cross it out so I don't count it twice. Then I'm going to count on using the touch points. So 4, 5. I should put a 5 in the ones place down here. Then I'll move to the tens place. Again, we start with the largest number, but in this case, I have all the same. So I can just start by saying 2, and then use touch points to count on. 3, 4, 5, 6. I should put a 6 in the tens place. So my answer for the first one is 65. Now down here, we're using place value. It says there are 10 cubes in each tower. This is a tower right here, and I know there's 10 cubes. I only see one tower, so I'm going to put a 1 in the tens place. There's one group of 10. These are my ones cubes. I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, so I have 5 ones. If I were to count these all up, it would sound like this: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's what I have right here. You just need to write it together as a group on the line. So together I have 15. You can try the rest of these problems, the penguins, and the rest of the place value problems on your own. On the back page, you have something that looks like this. It says, write the missing numbers on the groups of Arctic wolves. So some of them are filled in and then some of them are missing. I have to figure out what comes before and then what would come after so that I can fill these in. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit more so you can see better. In this group of wolves, I see that I have the number 28, 29, something's missing, 31. The number that comes right before 28 is 27. I can fill that in. 27, 27, 28, 29. This number would be 30. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. This number would be 32. Now this is a different group down here, so it doesn't continue from 32 on to the next number. This is a different counting sequence. See if you can figure out the missing numbers for these animals. When you get to this problem, it's just like the problems that we saw on the other page where we start with the arrow. The arrow shows us the ones place. We always start by adding the numbers that are in the ones place. On this page, it's no different. They just lay them out sideways instead of up and down. So we're starting with the arrow. They marked it for us. Here's the arrow, and here's the arrow. We're going to add just this number first and place it under the arrow they gave us. 0 plus 0 plus 0, well, that's still 0. So I have 0 in the ones place. And then in the tens place, which would be this one, 3, and then I'm counting on 4, 5. So a 5 goes in the tens place. My answer should be 50. See if you can do the following whales all on your own. Don't forget when you're finished that you should be taking a picture and uploading it to your portfolio so that I can review your answers. Also, don't forget to go on MobyMax. You only have to finish a 5-minute session, but I'll be checking to see those of you who do this. Okay, good luck. Text or Class Dojo me if you have any questions.